So I'm on my computer playing Fortnite and I'm in the top 10. I'm in the top 10 and I'm so excited, bro. I really am. I haven't got a win in a while and let's freaking go. Like top 10, bro. Let's go. And then it's top 5, top 2. And then I'm one of those people. And I'm cranking my 90s, sweating, clicking on my keys. And then I freaking die, bro. I die. I'm so mad. And then to make it even worse, I get called for dinner, bro. Oh my gosh, I have to get off Fortnite for a minute. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Then I'm going to dinner and then I'm eating my spaghetti. I'm tossing it all up, putting it in my mouth. And I'm just thinking about, like, how could I have won that game? How could I have won that game instead of losing in second place, bro? I haven't got a win in so long. I remember I used to be so depressed that I didn't get a win. I would actually be so depressed. I would be so sad because I never got a win. I remember I wanted to get a win like the same day school started to, like, like start the school year strong, and I didn't. And I was actually so depressed. And then 2 days later, like, some guy carried me in duos, so I finally got a win and I was actually happy about my life again. But anyways, when I was eating that spaghetti, I was thinking about Fortnite, and then what the heck? I feel my tooth with my tongue. And then I feel this really sharp thing that, like, scratches my tongue. I'm genuinely scared. I'm actually like, I look in the mirror, I'm like, it's gone. It's done. It's done for. I actually chipped my tooth, bro. Are you serious? I was actually so mad, bro. I almost cried. I was scared. I was asking my mom, like, does the tooth grow back? Does it grow back? And I put like some toothpaste on it to, like, see if that would help, bro. I did so much for that, and I was actually depressed again. And I played Fortnite. I just went back to playing my Fortnite. Went back to escaping to the virtual world. And then I remember for a whole month at least, I would only eat stuff with a spoon because I chipped myself on one of the, like, fork things, like one of those things on the fork. Like, there's 4 of them, and I chipped myself on one of them. So I just ate with a spoon every time. Next time we had spaghetti, I just ate it with a spoon. So yeah, I was trying to not take any risks after that. And I think I really learned my lesson. Not only is it to not play freaking video games because it just wasted so many hours of my life, but it was to be present with what I was doing in my life. Because I was just eating that, like, I wasn't even grateful that my mom made me another meal that I wouldn't starve again. And I was just eating that spaghetti. It was so good, bro. I love that spaghetti, man. Anyways, it was so good. And I wasn't even grateful for any of it. I was just eating that thing, just wanting to go back to Fortnite, playing some more Fortnite, talk to my friend. I was mad that my mom called me for dinner. Like, I was mad that my mom gave me food. Like, doesn't that just sound weird? I was just so not present in my current situation. I wasn't caring at all. I bit my fork and actually chipped a part of my tooth, and it's still with me today. 3 years ago. I'm sorry if my teeth are a little yellow, but 3 years ago. It's still there. It is still. It's still there, bro. 3 years ago, and it's still there. That's probably why you stubbed your toe so many times. That's probably why you could have chipped your tooth. That's probably why this and this happened, and that's probably why you watch so many YouTube videos and you can't really get that much stuff out of it because you're on your phone. You go in another tab. Maybe. I'm not saying you do it. There's probably some other people that's watching this video that do it. So maybe, maybe that's why so many people can't really change and, like, improve themselves pretty much because they're not present. They don't really care and they're not taking their full attention on it, and they don't think that it's worth doing. Maybe it's because of an ego thing, maybe because of this, maybe because they're insecure. Maybe they just don't think it's right for them. And probably they can't improve as much because of that. Maybe they're gonna chip their tooth one day. Maybe they're gonna, break their leg one day. Maybe they're gonna realize how terrible their life is one day. So yeah, I chipped my tooth because I wasn't present and playing video games. So yeah, 2 things I got from this. don't play video games as much, and really be present, really focus on what you're doing in your life, because that's how you will actually succeed. That's when you enjoy the food more. That's when you be grateful for your mom. That's when you be grateful for the house you're living in. That's when you care about so many things in your life. That's when you realize what's actually important in your life. So yeah, be present, and I hope you were present watching this video and got something out of it. So yeah, pretty much it. So I'll see you later, bro. Peace. By the way, bro, I do paid coaching to help people quit video games. It's not free, it's paid. But if you want me to help you never play video games again, I'll literally do that for you. So click that link in the description to find out more about it.